Things before we get into the lessons. First of all, Garth brought this, which is great. So I guess this group in Common Gaeltachta in Kingston, Canada, has purchased a 60-acre parcel of land to establish a permanent Gaeltach site in Canada. So if you don't want to, yeah. So
that would be a lot closer than Connemara.
Yeah, a little closer than Connemara.
They had one in Nova Scotia, but they all died out, didn't they?
Yeah. So if housing prices in San Diego are too much for you, and work on your Gaelic a little bit, and
to buy shares
yeah,
there for some like $400.
Yeah, you have the link on here. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll explain something else in a second about that. Okay, I have a few websites I want to bring up here. First of all, my website. All the lessons are posted there. You know. I believe I have also the list of links that I normally put out at the beginning class. If not, I'll make sure it gets up there. And there is, I know Margaret was asking about getting Gaelic fonts. There is a site on there that has fonts. So one called Dúnmharú. Okay. The other thing is I did, just a couple days ago, start a San Diego Irish group on Yahoo. So I'm not quite sure exactly all we're going to do with it, but it's a good place to post links and things like that. A little bit easier than maintaining a site. And so I'm going to probably start moving stuff onto that more. So if you ever go to groups.yahoo.com and go to and join San Diego Irish if you're into that. And it's the nice thing about that is anyone can post to it. So if you find great links, you can post your links that you find on there. I'm looking to put together some categorized links. So I went and put 3 games on there, which are what these are. So I'll be setting up some categories. And just links that you find that are great. Maybe we'll put, if you have like an article like this that you think is great and of interest to the group, go ahead and throw it on there, and that way after class you know we can you can all go look at it. So it's San Diego Irish, and I just kind of set it up today. I put our calendar up and kind of when the classes all are. And I did put under the links under a category called games. This one, balp.com, has some games which are like word search puzzles and that kind of stuff. So if you want some things to play with.
That kind of game.
This site here has a game called Croch and Ropera, which is hangman in Irish. Okay. And BBC has something which is this game called Cullen and Cumberland. And what's really nice about that, it has spoken stuff on it. So you have these little tasks, and he kind of says things to you, and you have to click on them to answer them.
Cullen and Cumberland is kind of a sort of involved site. It's got a bunch of little video clips, basically, of this little talking Irish-speaking dog, and his master, who he doesn't really like much and doesn't speak any Irish, and is trying to fake it. And so it's kind of a little video series, and then all of the games and a lot of some of the interesting tidbits that I have on there, like cheat sheets for phrases and stuff like that, are all based on the little storyline that's going on.
Which one is it, Heather?
The third one.
The BBC one.
Yeah, and do any of you do stuff with Yahoo right now?
Yeah.
Some all? Okay. Well, then that might just be the easiest thing. Join the group, and then you can set up whether you get messages when they get posted and all. I mean, we're not going to probably be extremely active, but so.
We can ask questions on it.
Yeah, I guess you can post questions on there. I mean, it's kind of what you guys want to do with it, but it's, you know, a way to communicate with everyone in the group. But I encourage you, if you find things that are interesting, like events going on that would be local interest, or links and that kind of stuff, to throw them up. Okay? Right now it's open, so you can join it and post. If it gets to be a problem, I might control membership and just go ahead and join. The other thing Margaret asked earlier about doing accent marks in doing the fada on letters in the keyboard on a PC. And basically, there are key codes. If you hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and type in 160, you get an A with an A fada. And 130 is an E fada, and 161, 2, and 3 are I, O, and U fada, respectively. I'll try to get that up there, too. Okay. And there's some other set of them for capital ones, but it's not really as common that you would have to use those.
So we press Alt.
Hold down the Alt key and, like on the keypad, type in those numbers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's a good, quick way to get them on. It works just about everything in Windows. Okay. And there's some other tricks in Word, I guess. How is it you do it?
It was, hold on, give control and hit the apostrophe, and then type in whatever letter you want. That one works for with lowercase and uppercase. So if you you hold on control and hit the apostrophe, and then hit shift in the letter, it will give you capitalized with a font, instead of so.
I'm sure there's a link somewhere on the internet that already has this. I'll probably find it and put a link to it. Anyways, that's things coming up. And the site here, so please, if you're interested, go ahead and throw some stuff up there. Go ahead and get started on the lesson.
And to think you could have made it in MySpace.
All right, what we're going to be doing today, only today though, is we're going to go through the book Dúnmharú Dart. Okay?
Oh, we're back at the dart again.
Yeah, I'm just going to do it. In a previous class I did a couple years ago, we actually went through a couple chapters in Dúnmharú Dart. I don't really like the book that much, but it is
We
a...
never did find out who
Yeah,
Walter
so,
and where all the
right,
money
so,
came from.
and of course, this being an Irish book and in Dublin there's got to be a murder in it, so this one's called Murder on the Dart. So, Dúnmharú Dart. The Dart is the Dublin area rapid transit. So, it's the train that kind of runs around the Dublin area. And, anyways, all I'm going to do is one sheet off of it, so we're not going to go too far in it. In our previous class, we spent a lot of time on it. I don't think I can handle that again. So, this is a book that's aimed at learners. So, what it has in it is it has a glossary in the back. And it flags words in there that are in the glossary, so you know that you can go look them up in the glossary if you don't know them. So, do you guys follow you? All right. So, we're going to go ahead and jump into it now. So, first of all, we're going to try to figure out what it says. Okay. So, first line, O Ayaw.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the devil. Oh, you devil.
Okay. Ayaw, devil. Okay. Number 2. Ri Neil O'Connell Machan Doris or Nos na Gaithe.
Neil O'Connell ran out the door
door.
to something.
Okay.
Like the wind.
Like the wind. Okay. Number 3. Visha alahur teresha hocht agus vi kuig nomad ege chun an darta oil.
It was 8:30 and he
Yeah.
had a half an hour to get to the dart.
Okay.
And Cooey, no, 15 minutes to get to the dart.
I'm gonna have to put the 10-second roll or 5-second roll on you guys. Yeah, if you've been in my intermediate class before, you have a 5-second roll. You have to let everyone else try to say it before you do. Okay. All right. Number 4. Via haach an Chanfield, she's an boher on station. Ach an wajan show vi schnacht agus lak air gachaich. So, anyone who hasn't read it yet? Road, okay. Station. Snow.
Shankill, the Shankill station.
Shankill Station. Yeah.
And that morning, this morning, or snow and
Okay.
What is it, black ice or something?
Okay.
Oh gosh,
Yeah.
every place.
Okay. Give it a quick, number 5. Yeah, we'll just go for words and pieces. We don't. I know a couple of you have been through this and know the story. So,
Yes, what's back?
Nuair a hánig sé
when it came to the,
go dtí bún an mháthair bhí an tair an donna.
when it came to the start of the road,
Okay, that's probably an donna.
there's something very good.
Okay. Number 6. Lean sé air ag rith agus ag scatáil go dtí gur chric sé an stáisiún.
Well, he ran someplace, he ran like hell to get to the station.
Okay. Number 7. Gotoben togu da hosae. Okay. Okay. What? Number 8, probably.
Saw
Yeah.
2 feet sticking out.
Okay. It's actually a very long and elaborate expression in Irish. Number 9. Hui achas saner agus hit Neil ar a hoin ar an talamh.
He hit the ground running, I guess.
Hit the ground with his butt.
Okay.
Oh, I pulled my bone there.
Okay.
Figured that out.
Come on, that works.
Yeah. Okay. Any other words anyone recognizes?
Yeah, hit it behind on the ground.
Okay. Number 10.